On December 29, 1992, 21-year-old Army Private Jim Staler, his 20-year-old wife Jennifer, and their baby Clayton begin an 800-mile drive from the San Francisco Bay Area to a funeral in Idaho.
We'll be fine. I promised my mom we'd be there.
But across California and Nevada, blizzards are shutting down highways. The main interstate ahead of them is closed.
Nice.
We could take that. Or
So the couple makes a fateful decision. Take an alternate back road on the map, one they've never seen before.
the storm's getting worse. I know.
The sky grows darker, snow returns. Then, a critical mistake. A road closure sign, buried under snow, unseen. The couple unknowingly drives into a 5,000-acre wilderness. No towns, no traffic, no rescue.
Jim! Stop! Stop! We're stuck!
They try to dig the truck out with their bare hands. But every hole they clear fills instantly with blowing snow. By night, they huddle together inside the freezing car, using clothing and towels to block the icy wind pushing through the doors. They turn the engine on only long enough to breathe warm air, knowing gas is running out.
Barely.
Outside, nothing moves. No lights, no signs of life. 4 days have passed.
Try 97.2.
It's just static, Jim. Nothing.
After days trapped with no rescue, Jim makes a desperate plan.
It's okay.
If we leave at first light, we can reach the road by nightfall.
Clayton is placed inside a tiny sleeping bag, inside a garment bag, inside another sleeping bag. A fragile cocoon against the deadly
love you.
cold. At dawn, they begin walking. Jim drags their baby behind him like a sled. Jennifer limps behind, her hips aching from climbing through deep snow. They chew handfuls of snow for water.
No.
Their feet go numb. Hours pass. Miles pass. They reach the top of a large hill. They believe the highway must be just over it. But when they crest the hill, there is nothing. Only endless white. They turn back. Miles wasted. Energy drained. Night falling. They reach a rocky outcrop, search for shelter, and survive the night under a sleeping bag as violent winds threaten to
Stay with
tear
me.
it away.
We have to keep going.
By morning, Jennifer's hips freeze up. She can barely stand. Jim knows what
I
it
can't.
means. She cannot walk much
My hips.
farther.
I have to go on alone.
No. Don't leave us. What if you don't come back? I promise I'll be back for you.
He becomes a machine. Walking, falling, standing, walking again. He sleeps only in brief crouches behind rocks. He sucks water from melted snow in cracks. He pushes through frostbite. His feet swollen, blackening, numb. When he removes his shoes, the pain nearly knocks him unconscious. He numbs them again in the snow. The world becomes silent, empty, timeless. He believes he may be dying. Then, he sees a plowed road, and in the distance, a truck. He screams.
Help! Help! Help me! My wife. My baby.
Dave radios his partner, Dusty.
Do you copy?
Together, they
Jim's in
climb
bad shape.
deep
Oh, thank
into the
goodness.
wilderness, following Jim's directions toward the cave and save Jennifer.